Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to align car trunk, only way. Start by opening the trunk and supporting the lid so you can work safely and steadily. Loosen hinge bolts slightly to allow controlled movement and have an assistant hold the trunk in the desired position. Make small, even adjustments and tighten bolts gradually while rechecking gaps and latch operation until the trunk closes smoothly and seals evenly. Begin by marking reference points on both the trunk edge and the body to monitor changes. Loosen the hinge bolts just enough to nudge the trunk horizontally and vertically while your helper holds it. Make incremental adjustments and red-iron bolts temporarily to test alignment. If the striker is off, move it slightly and test closure. Replace compressed rubber bumpers or add thin shims to fine-tune sealing and prevent noise. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker as you tune and align the trunk. It plays repair playlists and timers hands-free. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips and tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. If the trunk still binds, open the latch and inspect both the striker and latch for bends, rust, or debris and clean them well. For severe misalignment caused by collision damage, replacement of hinges or professional frame realignment may be necessary to restore proper fit and safety. Finally, test whether sealing by running water over the trunk seals, while someone checks inside for leaks, and adjust bumpers or seals if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.